was that?
I would imagine a chemical erosion would break the original rock down more, right?
So in a chemical type of erosion, it's going to be fully dissolved.
Yeah.
So like for example, rain is slightly acidic. So every time it rains, we have literally hydrochloric acid, not as strong as that, but literally we have this acidic rain that's falling on rocks. So that's going to dissolve what mineral?
Calcite.
Calcite is right. Okay, so yeah, you're going to get more erosion through dissolving in the chemical sense.
Okay.
What about detrital? What's going to be a characteristic of a detrital rock?
I think it would be made of larger pieces.
Made of larger pieces, varying sizes of pieces, right, depending on a bunch of stuff. Okay, cool. So separate those out. You guys do the same at home, and we'll see where we end up.